ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
The St. Joseph Services invites admission for MBBS in India and abroad. For more details, contact 94361 19558. Kidikhat jongka sang henyo trip Achik National Movement jongka berni hat circle haka khat waiterik ubnai naiweng arajar arpuai kilalat Pynsangeh Treikam ye kinong trei jongki Hynriew Tylli ki bank ki badan ye kishnat Treikam hapo ka than berni hat halor ka jingbom Burom ye ka Shad Nongrem ka badai ka jingle anyam shisen shisnam jongki khon ki hajar ka hima Hynriew walla ka sarkar jilla kala penbana kum ka sngi shuti hapo ka jilla baro ka wei kini ki Hynriew Tylli ki bank ki bala sya Pynsangeh Treikam ha ki dikhot jong ka Hanm hapo ka jingelam jong president u Ajit Makri ki kenthop je ka State Bank of India ka HDFC ka Apex Bank ka Canara Bank ka North East Bank bat ka Syndicate Bank.
HDFC ke bank pada perbedaan kan ke cakap ngelawan adu SBI ke Canara Bank ke MRB dan ke Syndicate Bank ke ICICI Bank bat ngelawan bengkang pada sini tahu kalau baru dia tip nomor ba kadai ke sini ke tahu rahe ya ke festival ke ngelawan Shad Nongrem dance ada ke bun hi bank ya clean atau step ka jingpli jongki rokam daily sa ka jong bakwa Hynriew ka dei ba video ya ba order bakhang te nagaliang jungi ka sang ngelawan bakhang no ya ka but nagaliang jungi ni kwa banai ka clear message sa ka government mo ba bali haba bipan banai ka shuti all over Meghalaya bali nim ipad ya ka officially letter sa ki bank group bakin khang ya ki bank nalu ka por dai be jem step te this is kapangi event man la ka por ang usnam sang balang di Saiwan hagi bank her berkhang apun gini ki si rakhe si Burom joka negara jumi yaksa aprat te nang mishmat na terpat. This is a clear message and requesting the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya if you announce any holiday on behalf of Nongrem dance or any festival, Khasi festival, so we request you to please notice or issue an official letter to the banks and the different part of the offices so that they can close the bank. You should not wait for the NGO to go to each and every departments, to each and every banks and then to close. So please take responsibility. This is our state, our beloved state. So please do respect and then please issue them also a notice. Abang ia keren bagi bank di omba bisa ngintip, lana ngintip tu boleh ngimkang, ngimkwa balik kerja ya state hilang ni kerja Hynriew juga.